Right. Coming to the session storage. This is one demonstration on session storage, as we'll see two different programs in session storage. Let me have discuss the first one in the session storage. Let me discuss mm, the first one in this one, session storage. Now, what I'll do is I'll just try to run the program. Later, you will please go for tracing of this. Session storage one, I'm just running. See, whenever the session runs, what we'll get? We get an message. We have get a message called as your name is KKB. Okay, right? Another time it is your name is undefined. Okay, right? When I refresh this, your name is KKB. When I click on OK, your name is undefined. When I click on OK, what happened? Here KKB has displayed here. See in the page. This is the web page, right? So what we have done, initially we set the name, username. Again we get that. Again we remove that. Finally, once you remove from that session, because already we have said that the difference between local storage and the session storage, local storage will have unlimited time, whereas session storage will have limited time to delete the items, right? Fine. So let me go for the code. Coming to the code. Now, what sort of page we have written here in this one? I'll just refresh it. We get a dialog box, a script. This is a script. When you are getting these pop-ups, it's called as some scripts. When I click on OK, OK, script is there. Again, we just display message KKB. Now, statically, we have defined it inside. See the body. In this body, in the HTML, div ID equal to result. That is one division we have given. ID equal to result, just a division. You can also use span also, division. That's the body of the HTML. Here, very important point, scripts can be right outside of the body, means within the head tag, or inside the body, or as separate file, save as .js, like we can save the CSS.css. It also we can save file name .js, where JS stands for JavaScript. So whatever the script we have, you can all this starting of the script to ending script, keep it in a separate notepad, save as file name .js. Now you can be link that with the help of link tag. Already we have seen link tag we can link here in the HTML directly. That script also run. So previous example, we have seen the script has to be added inside the head tag, means outside the body tag. That is called as inline. That is internal. We are going to be called internally in the head tag. Now here inline in the sense body. Inside the body we are adding the script. Script is started. If type of storage is not equal to undefined, type of storage is not undefined in the sense storage, when type of the storage, maybe is a session storage, or maybe it is a local storage or database storage. If it is type of storage not equal to undefined means then it will be executed. So initially the storage we have, whatever we set it, it is set over there. sessionStorage.setItem. What's the key here? First name is the key and value is KKB. If I change KK Bashir here, just you can also change KK Bashir, right? So how to set an item in the session storage? Session storage dot set item of first name is nothing but key. You can use any key, not only first name. You can use last name, only just name. You can name one, name two. Value also anything you can set it. Now how to read the items from in the session storage, or how to retrieve? You can, if you want to retrieve that, how to retrieve? sessionStorage.getItem of key. Get item of key. What the key we have is here? First name, sessionStorage.getItem. So this, if you want to display internally, display inside the HTML page, inner the HTML page, we have a function. This also we can discuss in the JavaScript. Document, total page will consider as a document dot get element by ID result dot inner. So whichever the element having a ID with the name ID result, in that place display inside the inner HTML display whatever the value will be get back by this sessionStorage.getItem. I repeat, sessionStorage.getItem will extract some value. Agree? What's the value? KK Bashir. That where I need to display that displaying position, we are saying with the help of document. Inside the document dot here, document dot get element by ID. Get element by ID is a function. Get element. What type of element? Maybe H1 element, H2 element, paragraph element, maybe div element, whatever. But how we can be identify that only that item is in this parameters we are passing the ID name. ID equal to result. Whichever the element is using an ID with the name called as result, that result inside that position means at that ID place display this sessionStorage.getItem value. Okay, that is the meaning of this one. And just we are giving alert as we in the previous example storage session we have discussed alert of your name is sessionStorage.firstName. Just we are displaying that sessionStorage.firstName. Directly you can display it. Like sessionStorage.firstName means what? First name is a key value. Agree. So first name is a key value. sessionStorage.firstName. So whatever the session storage is there, it will be extract that key and directly display. Now alert your name is sessionStorage.firstName, where first name is a key value. Clear? Next session storage dot when you want to remove off the key. Which key? First name is a key. Now again we are displaying alert message called your name is session storage dot first name. So previously when you are set that key, the name is KK Bashir. Once you remove that item with this key first name, it will be a undefined because no value you assign there. So that's why it is deleted. So that's why it is a undefined. If it is so, if your browser doesn't support, so as I said, type of storage is not supported by your browser. Else part here, this else part talks about else document.getElement by ID at that position result.innerHTML. What's the message we are displaying? Sorry, your browser does not supports web storage. Like this we are placing that message over there. If your browser doesn't supports any type of storages, maybe local, session or database. So end of the script, end of the body, end of the HTML. What we have done here, just we are checking the condition whether the browser is supporting the type of the storage or not. Once it is supports by the browser, we are setting an item called as first name of the value KK Bashir, and we are getting that item and we are displaying. What ID, which element is called as ID? Here div ID equal to result at that division position. Already we have seen KKB has displayed inside the inner HTML, right? So document.getElement by ID of result dot inner HTML session storage dot get item. Yes, storage dot get item of first name will be displayed over there. And we are displaying not only in the inner HTML but also as a alert message, as a pop-up alert of your name is session storage dot first name. Next, we are removing that. Again, we are displaying whether it is correctly removed or not. We are cross-checking. If your browser doesn't supports, it displays a message like this. So document.getElement by ID of results.innerHTML. Sorry, your browser doesn't supports web storage. Clear?